Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this BMW X3, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants from your headlight with just the slip solution, you should be good to go. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating on the headlight still after you use the slip solution, you can use tag solution. Tag solution contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water, and this one will help remove those remaining contaminants. So first, grab your slip solution, spray it onto the headlight lens, and then with the clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. And then once you're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. Okay, so once we finish with the prep, we can start with the installation. So apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure we align the film to the edge right here. And once we align it, we're going to apply tack solution right on the edge. That will help the film anchor here. Tack it down. And then once this is secured, we'll stretch the film to reach to this edge right here. So keep it aligned right on the edge. Make sure everything stays aligned on the top and on the bottom. With one hand, hold it in position, that way it doesn't move, and then with the other, grab your squeegee and start tightening it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film here. And once we secure this entire section here, we could do the stretch. If you need to help the adhesive on the film activate faster because of the type of weather condition you have, if it is cold, the adhesive on the film will take a little bit longer to activate. If it's warm outside or if the weather is more hot, then the adhesive will activate more faster. So let's say you're in a cold climate and the adhesive is not tagging down or activating fast, you can use a heat device, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer, use the lower setting, apply heat around this area here. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and it stays tacked down here. That way we're able to stretch the film and this section here doesn't lose the position that we had it aligned here. So lower setting, apply heat, and you should be good. Okay, so just make sure you're able to move the film around. If you feel that the adhesive on the film is drying up, then just apply slip solution underneath the film. You would just spray it here. But if you're able to move the film around, you should be good with the first initial slip solution that you install. If you're able to move the film around, you should be good. So just stretch it. Hold it in position. Help the film start molding to the design of the curve. And just hold it in position for a couple seconds. And then just go ahead and apply tack solution on top. And also underneath on the edge right here. Okay, hold it and then tack it down with your squeegee. Once you finish tagging down the film, you will notice you have these small little fingers on the top and lower section of the tint. To remove them, just apply tack solution where you see those fingers. And you're going to use your heat device, use the lower setting, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire fingers on the panels here. That way we help them shrink. And then once we shrink the fingers, we could tack them down slowly. So after you finish applying heat, you're going to wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and just help the film tack down. Squeegee at an angle, hold it in position for a couple seconds, that way the film starts tacking down on the edge. And do the same on top. Hold it for maybe 5 seconds, 4 to 5 seconds. And that's pretty much it. And you just go across, inspect the headlight, making sure that the film is tacked down, there's no edges lifting, and there's no fingers on the edges as well. And you just repeat this process, apply heat wherever you see those fingers. And then before you apply heat to seal the edges, just double check and make sure you're not leaving any water bubbles underneath the film. And once you double check and make sure everything's good to go, the last thing to do will be to post heat. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tints, the last thing to do will be to post heat. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down any edges that are still lifting and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. And while we're doing that, we're going to apply heat using a heat gun or hair dryer, lowest setting. Apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight and just helping tack down the film with your microfiber towel. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the BMW X3. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos, and don't forget to check out our other kits for the BMW X3. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.